Alright, today we are with this 2006 Chrysler 300 crank but don't start. So you must check. Check. Go and check the fuel pump relay. Alright, these are the fuel pump relay. This is the fuse for the fuel. Alright. Well, I got current to the plug, current on the pump, but look at the pump. There we have it. Going to have to change this fuel pump. Brand new fuel pump. Alright, everything's set and ready. So we're going to install right now. Okay, there goes. Pump in, car start. There goes, gas pump in, car start.